section. Exposure, plus 0.2. Contrast, plus 7. Highlights, minus 3. Shadows, plus 31. Whites, plus 10. Blacks, minus 12. Let's go to the tone curve. Edit the main curve this way. Make the following changes to the green curve. Open the color section. Temp, minus 15. Vibrance, plus 16. Saturation, plus 2. Open color mix. Red, hue, minus 83. Saturation, minus 56. Luminance, plus 44. Orange. Hue, minus 35. Saturation, minus 85. Luminance, plus 14. Yellow. Hue, minus 31. Saturation, minus 90. Green. Hue, minus 52. Saturation, minus 100. Aqua, saturation, minus 100. Blue, saturation, minus 100. Purple, saturation, minus 94. Magenta, saturation, minus 82. Open the color grading section. Let's edit the shadows. Hue, plus 81. Luminance, plus 65. Move to midtones. Hue, plus 283. Saturation, plus 5. Luminance, minus 28. Change the highlights. Hue, plus 267. Saturation, plus 9. Luminance, plus 24. Blending, plus 80. Balance, plus 30. Open the Effects section. Vignette, Amount, minus 10. Midpoint, plus 30. Roundness, minus 40. Open Optics and tick Remove CA. And we're finished.